So 2 days back, the centre ended up opposing petitions for same-sex marriage. When this news broke out, many people from the LGBT community and their allies expressed their anger on social media. I was asked to speak about this, but I remained silent. The reason why I did not say anything about this topic is because somehow, somewhere, I already knew that this was going to happen. Putting faith in the existing government regarding the LGBT community is like, expecting the sun to perform duties of the moon. Like, it's never going to happen. The reason that was given to oppose same-sex marriage was absolutely baseless when we see it in today's time, where new generations exist, where people have entirely changed, where the LGBT community is no longer a weak community because people are actively talking about it and people are coming out of the closet. Change is the universal law of nature, and that is the only thing that is constant. But clearly, this does not apply to the government. Sex education बच्चों को बाद में पहले government को मिलनी चाहिए. Government says the court must not create new rights to allow same-sex marriage because it is impossible to term one as husband and the other as wife. I mean, why do you want to term them? They can label themselves. Why can't you just accept two adults who love each other, who want to marry each other as a couple? पुराना टाइम चला गया, पुराने लोग चले गए, ज़माना बदल गया, लेकिन सोच नहीं बदली. However, I'm still very optimistic because the current situation of the LGBT community is not that bad. People will not remain silent, they will fight for their rights and they will get them. क्या हुआ अगर गवर्नमेंट से डिसअपॉइंटमेंट मिली? कोई नई बात तो नहीं है. The Supreme Court will definitely give justice to the LGBTQ community. कम्युनिटी से काफ़ी लोग हैं जो दिन रात मेहनत कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ के लिए, एंड मेरी आप सबसे सिर्फ इतनी रिक्वेस्ट है कि बात किया करो, अपने ओपिनियंस रखा करो एंड अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए स्टैंड लिया करो whenever possible.
The government is not trying to think from the views of the LGBT community. How would you like to feel living in your own country and feeling like you should not be a part of it, or like you are not supposed to be alive? Like every day people make you feel that way. I don't know the struggles because I don't know if I am straight or LGBT, or I don't know. I haven't came out right now, even if I am. Okay. So and I just feel like government should now also learn from countries like US, Canada, or UK.
They are doing so good.
Yeah, they're doing so good. The only thing that is getting them to grow more is the equality and the understanding and the mindset of the people. Like the people understand each other, not all of them, but like most of them. But in India, as I told you,
understand the concept of equality.
Yeah. So my views on this is that there are many marriages. I don't know if there's a case of this in real, but I just feel like some parents are huge homophobes, and suppose some girl is lesbian, or some boy is gay. Just because of society's pressure, not because of parents also. Usually parents don't pressurize, society pressurizes, and society pressurizes the parents, and then the parents do the same. Okay, so just because of society's pressure, the person, whoever is going through it, might conduct suicide or depression, or in some cases, parents forcefully just make their lesbian or gay child marry the person that they're not in opposite gender. Like आप किसी की लाइफ बर्बाद कर दो किसी के साथ शादी करवा के, मतलब जिस कैटेगरी में उसका इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है, तो मतलब जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ सोसाइटी एंड बिकॉज वो एक लड़का है और एक लड़की है, और लड़का और लड़की की ही शादी हो सकती है, और सोसाइटी का इसमें मतलब रोल होना ही नहीं चाहिए. शादी किसकी होनी है?
Exactly. Why do you care?
Yeah, why do you care? Why do you care? Huh? You have to go in their house? Tell me that. You just have to eat your food in the wedding. That's all you need to do. Okay. So stop judging people who have same gender marriage. Okay. Stop doing that.